Hey, what's up creators? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm here to clear some major doubts about growing your YouTube Shorts channel and getting it monetized fast. Whether you're posting in any category, this method will work across the board, no matter the content you're making. Here's the deal. Consistency is key. Posting 3 to 4 short videos every day in your niche will skyrocket your channel's growth. And yes, it can lead to full monetization within 2 months. Just keep delivering content that matches your viewers' interests. Now, some of you might be wondering, does it matter if I post in a niche that I'm passionate about but don't see getting views? Don't worry. If you're in the right category and post regularly, your channel will see growth. Let me show you an example from a popular gaming channel. This channel posts short videos of game clips and they've got millions of views in just 3 months. Their content is simple but consistent. You can do the same by creating your own unique content, whether it's gaming, DIY, or anything else you love. Alright, so let's break down how you can create your own content. First, download a simple gaming app. You can choose something trending right now, like Jump Mania 3D. It has the perfect ratio for shorts, 9:16. Play a level, record it, and make sure the video tells a story. Viewers need to see a beginning, middle, and end, even if it's a short clip. Here's a quick tip. While recording, make sure the whole level is played out. Cut any unnecessary parts and keep your video within 40 to 50 seconds to maximize engagement. Now comes the editing. I use CapCut, but you can use any video editor. Select the 9:16 ratio, zoom in to remove any extra space, and cut out any waste clips. Make sure your video is smooth and engaging. Lastly, add some background music that fits your theme. This helps with engagement. Once done, export the video and upload it to YouTube. Don't forget to give it a catchy title and optimize the description with relevant keywords to get noticed. Centine. And there you have it. That's how you can grow your YouTube Shorts channel quickly and get it monetized. If you want a deep dive into how to set up your channel or pick the best category, drop a comment below and I'll cover that in an upcoming video. Until next time, happy creating. See you in the next video.